Best Infrared Home Sauna. Number 1. Kunshana Infrared Home Sauna. Which heat up fast and do not hurt the skin. This is a dry sauna, no need to deal with water vapor after use. Using it after a busy day at work will allow you to relax while enjoying your personal space alone. Indoor sauna. Two-person sauna has an expected lifespan of 14 years, and leaving it outdoors will affect the effectiveness and longevity of its use. There are Bluetooth audio and LED reading lights inside, so you can read and listen to music while enjoying the sauna. Sample electrical safety and low chemical substance RoHS test and certified by third-party TÜV. Our products are designed with tongue and groove, easy to install and durable.
For current prices and discount, check links in the description box.
Number 2. Zmatch Infrared Home Sauna. As an oversized high-quality sauna, shipping via LTL delivery and signature requested. PLS double confirm consignee's phone hash and delivery address before submitting your order. Phone not working and unreachable will result in delivery pushback even undeliverable. Carrier may fail to reach consignee for appointment, and thus the experienced buyer might reach our carrier for final delivery appointment. Our Amazon buyer and seller message center is always to answer your questions. Kiln-dried premium hemlock wood, seat weight capacity 660 pounds, 300 kilograms, tempered glass door and 6 millimeters, vents on top ceiling, intent for outdoor and indoor use.
For current prices and discount, check links in the description box.
Number 3. Dynamic Infrared Home Sauna. Home sauna that generates far infrared heat that helps with joint pain, increased circulation, and removing toxins from your body. Lightweight and simple assembly, constructed from natural hemlock wood that is lightweight yet durable and features a simple clasp together assembly. Safe heat circulation, features 6 carbon heating elements and a roof vent that help provide safe heat and air circulation. MP3 connection and control panels. Convenient features include MP3 auxiliary connection and interior and exterior control panels. Interior chromotherapy lighting provides added health benefits and allows you to read and relax.
For current prices and discount, check links in the description box.
Number 4. Botaro Infrared Home Sauna. This item will be delivered curbside. To have the item delivered to a location of choice on your property, kindly make additional arrangements with a third-party provider ahead of delivery. 6 heating panels, 2 on the rear wall, 1 on each side wall, 1 under the bench and 1 on the floorboard. Easy to use interior control panel that displays sauna temperature and time functions. Feet reflexology heating system floor heater. Interior reading lamp as well as an MP3O connection and built-in speakers. Operates up to a maximum 140°F, ideal operating temperature between 120°F to 130°F.
For current prices and discount, check links in the description box.
Number 5. Naze Infrared Home Sauna. Our infrared sauna is equipped with heating tubes and mica carbon plates, which heat up faster and can generally finish preheating in 10 minutes. We recommend setting the preset temperature to about 45 to 50 C, which is ideal for the body. And it usually takes a total of 15 to 20 minutes to reach the ideal temperature in summer and 25 to 30 minutes in winter, including 10 minutes preheating. Breaking the boring sauna process. I guess you don't like sitting in a sauna for half an hour doing nothing. It's often torturous. But our infrared saunas come with a door handle to hold your phone or iPad. So before you start, connect the built-in Bluetooth speaker and turn on your music or video, then every moment of the sauna will be fun and enjoyable. Chromotherapy is proven to be beneficial for improving health.
For current prices and discount, check links in the description box. Like, comment, subscribe our YouTube channel.